Today we're diving into the rollout of Samsung's One UI 8.0, and let's just say, fans aren't too happy about how things are going. So here's the situation. Samsung has officially started delivering the stable One UI 8.0 update for the Galaxy S25 series. Right now it's only available in South Korea, but it will expand to more regions gradually this week. That sounds good on paper, but the rollout has sparked a lot of frustration. Why? Because the beta program dragged on for 4 months and only covered 3 models. Not exactly smooth sailing. And it doesn't stop there. Samsung has also revealed its official roadmap for 2025, and some older devices could face up to a 2-month delay. Let's break it down. In October, the update will roll out to Galaxy S24 series, including the S24 Fan Edition, Galaxy S23 series, Galaxy S22 series, a bunch of tablets like the Tab S10, Tab S9 lineup, Tab S10 Lite, Tab S9 Fan Edition, and even the rugged Tab Active 5, plus mid-range phones like the Galaxy A35, A36, A34, A25, A53, and more. Then in November, it'll be the turn of Galaxy Z Fold 5 and Z Flip 5, older foldables like the Z Fold 4 and Flip 4, the Galaxy Tab S8 series, and more budget-friendly devices like the A15, A16, A24, A33, and others. Now, Samsung has been testing One UI 8 since May, but here we are in September, and only the S25 series has the stable build. Meanwhile, last year's flagships, like the S24, S23, and S22, are stuck waiting until October. And that's what's bugging users. The sluggish development cycle makes the delay feel worse, and while Samsung might try to wrap things up earlier than planned, it's hard to say if they'll manage it. So what do you think? Should Samsung be doing a faster global rollout for One UI 8.0, especially when other brands push updates to more devices in less time? Or are you okay with waiting if it means fewer bugs at launch? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear where you stand on this. Big news today. Samsung has officially started rolling out the stable One UI 8 update based on Android 16 for the Galaxy S25 lineup. That includes the Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, S25 Edge, and S25 Ultra. And get this, the Galaxy S25 Fan Edition is debuting with One UI 8 right out of the box. After months of beta testing, Samsung has finally pushed the stable build, starting first in South Korea. Don't worry though, the global rollout is right around the corner. It usually expands within hours or days. Now here's what you need to know. The stable update is labeled Build BY3. If you were already on the beta channel, it's a lighter 555 megabytes download. But if you're upgrading from One UI 7, brace yourself, it's about 3.9 gigs. Either way, the update also brings the September 2025 security patch across the board. So what's new? One UI 8 is all about smarter AI-driven features, improved customization, and even fresh good lock plugins. Samsung has also given the lock screen a glow-up with an adaptive clock, which lets you play around with fonts and alignment, making it way more dynamic than before. For beta testers, this update won't feel like a huge leap, but if you're jumping from One UI 7, you'll definitely notice the difference across customization, productivity tools, and overall functionality. If you haven't received the OTA notification yet, you can always speed things up. Just head into settings greater than software update greater than download and install. Remember though, the rollout is sequential, so not everyone will get it at the same time. But the wait shouldn't be long. Samsung spent nearly 4 months testing this in the open beta program, so the stable build should hit all regions soon. So, have you received One UI 8 on your S25 yet? And what's the first feature you're going to test out? Let me know in the comments. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss the latest Samsung updates.